Weight loss, as we all know, along with exercise, stress control, good sleep, one of the key ingredients is obviously nutrition, diet. Yes. Namaskara, I'm Parimala Jaggesh, the founder and director of Alami Wrap Nutrition. This is a place where we make dieting super fun. ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Today we are checking out an amazing green smoothie. It's yummy, it's delicious. It's made of spinach, banana and apple, the three main ingredients. When you start your day with this amazing concoction of health, you would feel super fine throughout the day. The ingredients is listed out for you. An extremely simple smoothie. All you would have to do is just add 10 to 15 baby spinach leaves, an apple which is de-seeded, and I'm using a small medium-sized banana. You can add in a glass of milk. The milk is your choice. I'm using skim milk. It can be almond milk, it can be anything, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and topping it for a nutty flavor with 1 teaspoon of flaxseed powder. Your smoothie is completely ready. Just try it out. You can have this smoothie instead of breakfast for weight loss, and if you're looking out for weight gain or for your children, add this smoothie as an in-between snack. For any health queries, be it diabetes management, weight loss, weight gain, post-pregnancy weight loss, simple dietary tips and tricks with the ingredients available from your kitchen, reach out to us. Our number 63663 63800. We will connect. See you soon.